Welcome back, BMF Speed Shop. So, with this quarantine stuff going on, my girlfriend's birthday's coming up, so I couldn't figure out what to get her. You know, she's a nurse. She's probably stressed out with all the stuff going on. So I thought, well, I'm gonna get her a moped because there's nothing more fun than a moped. And that way we can go riding together with my SCR. So I picked her up a 2007 Yamaha C3 moped. Yep. Got it off Facebook Marketplace, and we've had it out. You know, we got it yesterday and we had it out cruising around. She loves it. I didn't think she was gonna. She's never rode a motorcycle before, but yeah, she loves it. No regrets. When I seen the sticker, I knew that I just had to have this thing. But yeah, these are great little starter scooters. If you want to learn how to ride, or you've never ridden before. And I also thought it would be good for my 9-year-old daughter. She's pretty long-legged, so she should have no problem. These are carbureted. The previous owner put a new tire, new battery, new fuel pump, and just had the oil change and service, and it was ready to ride. So we got a pretty good deal on it. It was around $700. You can't really go wrong for one of these things. Said it's carbureted, but you have to pull this little brake here, push this button, and it fires right up. My plans, I want to put a pipe on here and make the speed a little bit more, but first we're going to make it a little faster. First we want to make sure she knows how to ride good. So. Yeah, she's still touching the pavement there. She's about to do a burnout as well. Look at that power. Well, now my check engine light's on. That can't be good. Oh, it went off. Take you for a little cruise. I mean, I am 6'4", 290 pounds. And I had top speed on this thing, no problem. It takes a little while. She gets there. She'll do 38, 40 miles an hour with my big ass on here. Got some free junk. It's like put your junk at the side of the road day. But yeah, stay tuned. BMF Speed Shop. You know we'll send it.